What's up, guys? It's the boy the Clouded Barber back at it with another video, trying to be consistent like I said I would. So it's not another haircut, obviously, because we're still on lockdown. It's starting to look a lot better. Numbers are going down. They're talking about reopening the province very soon. So fingers crossed, keep the faith, let's hope everything opens up soon. So basically for you guys today, I'm going to be rigging up a stand with a clamp on it to do a bird's eye view of unboxing barber tools or whatever I decide to unbox for you guys. So I'm going to be going through each and every part that I purchased at Home Depot in Canada, and I am going to be telling you guys the dimensions, the sizes, this, that, exactly what you need to build this at home if you guys decide to do unboxings or close-ups of whatever you guys do during this time, or even not during this time and you do it actually as a profession. And this is just a simple way of doing it, opposed to spending $180 or almost $200 on something that can get that bird's eye view with your DSLR and just doing it at home. And you know, a do-it-yourself, a DIY. Let's get to the video and I'll show you guys how to do it. Alright guys, so here are the essential parts basically that you need to create your bird's eye view filming mechanism for your DSLRs or even your cell phones, depending on what type of clamp or bracket that you have that you can attach to this get up here that we're about to create. Basically we're going to be starting off with two of these, which is a black steel pipe nipple 3/4 inch by 10 inch. We get two of these and the SKU number for that is 100104219 Then we have a black steel pipe nipple 3/4 inch by 12 inch and the SKU number for that is 10011570022. Okay, so we'll put that one to the side. Then we have fitting black iron floor flange 3/4 inch 2-pack. So it comes in 2-pack. Two of these come in 1-pack. The SKU number for this is 10011608824. And then we got these guys, fitting black iron 90-degree elbow 3/4 inch. And the SKU number for these are 100126320. Okay guys, and then this bad boy here I got off Amazon. I forgot to mention that at the beginning of the video. It is a newer large super clamp black hot shoe ball head with 1/4 inch screw mount. I will definitely leave the link in the description below for you guys if you want to pick this up. It is newer brand, which I'm sure a lot of us barbers know, are fairly familiar with Newer, since most of us get our ring lights from Newer. Very good quality, very durable. So yes, I will leave the link in the description below to purchase that on Amazon. And without further ado, let's get to the build. So basically I have my dad here helping me because it's a little bit easier behind the camera. I'm not incompetent. I am able to do this. Okay, so don't break my cojones in the comments, okay, because I can do it. Okay, so basically what we're doing here is we're grabbing the two 10-inch piping and throwing on the elbow on each one. And then we're grabbing the 12-inch and we're screwing the 12-inch pipe into the other end of the elbow, which will be the top part that we're going to be clamping the clamp onto for the DSLR. And then we're grabbing the other elbow, which we screwed the 10-inch to, and we're attaching it to the other end of the 12-inch pipe. You don't want to screw it too tight, because then if you decide to move it, it's going to be a hell of a job to try to unscrew it to move it around. And we're grabbing the other flange and putting it on the other bottom of the 10-inch pipe, just like we did on the other end there. And that's basically it. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. That's basically the clamp that I did purchase from Amazon, like I said, which I'll leave the link in the description below. And it will be attaching to the wall as such, with the DSLR camera hanging right here, looking straight down, getting a perfect bird's eye view angle of your unboxing or whatever you decide to do. Okay, so basically what we did was we used two screws, one here, one here. You could use 4 depending on the weight that you're going to be holding with this, but since it's only going to be an SL2 Canon SL2 DSLR, which only weighs about 1 pound, this is completely suitable for that weight. But if you are handling something a little heavier, I suggest putting 4 screws in each side. You can put in screws, which is what I use, or you can use toggle bolts, totally your choice. So that's what we did. Okay guys, and to attach the newer clamp to the bar, it's pretty self-explanatory. Basically just swivel that little guy right there.
Nice rubber.
And then it's got rubber there, which gives it a good grip once it's on. And then you tighten it up on the back there. Okay, nice and tight. And there you can put your DSLR camera right on there and have your bird's eye view looking down at your desk with whatever you're unboxing or arts and crafts or painting. And it pivots. You can move it whichever way you like. It's got the ball head so you can move it left, right, back, forward, whatever you want. And that's it. Alright guys, well I hope you found that video useful, helpful. Please comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you've built something similar or if there's something that, hey, I could even improve on. You know what I mean? Constructive criticism is always key. So let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. Keep it real, stay true, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Ciao.